Computer science engineering is an interdisciplinary field that combines computer science and engineering principles to develop software, hardware, and computing systems. This field of engineering focuses on designing, developing, testing, and maintaining computer systems, software, and networks. Computer science engineering is a rapidly evolving field that has revolutionized the way we live, work, and communicate. The field has enabled advance in areas such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, robotics, and data science, and has transformed the way we interact with technology on the daily basis. As a computer science engineer, you will be trained in variety of subjects such as programming languages, data structure, algorithm, computer network, operating system, software engineering, database management system, and computer architecture. You will also learn about emerging technologies such as cloud computing, the Internet of Things, and cyber security also. Computer science engineers can work in a wide range of industries including software development, data analytics, telecommunications, gaming, and finance. Some common job roles in the field include software engineer, network administrator, system analyst, database administrator, cybersecurity specialist, and computer hardware engineer. To pursue a career in computer science engineering, you will need to have a strong foundation in mathematics, physics, and computer science. You will also need to be proficient in programming languages such as Java, Python, and C++. A bachelor's degree in computer science engineering is typically required for entry-level positions, although advanced position may require a master's degree or PhD. Overall, computer science engineering is an exciting and dynamic field that offers excellent career opportunity for those who are passionate about technology and innovation. With the continued growth and advancement of technology, the demand for skilled computer science engineers is only expected to increase in the coming year. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget subscribe to Active Site.